So guys, we have a Hamilton Beach microwave. There you go, spaghetti. So guys, welcome back guys. Today we have Hamilton Beach microwave. This microwave is looking perfect fine. Watch this, you guys gonna hear the Mega Drive sound. I'm here for Hamilton Beach microwave. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channels. Guys know I have the Hamilton Beach microwave. Watch, you can hear the Megatron sound. You don't spin so fast. Let's be careful with this. Okay, so hang on a second. As you guys see, this turntable is spinning. Spin turntables. You guys already know that Hamilton Beach microwave has different ring. And you can see the light bulb, it's on, is working perfectly fine. You guys already see the microwave is Hamilton Beach. You guys already see that logo. It has those settings behind the door. So what I just bought it, which is about at that moment, is because guys, there's the top. Everything is pretty for the Hamilton Beach. You guys already know that It costs $80. This no Walmart. You guys already know that Amazon Beach Microwave is at Walmart. Oh, damn. Now microwave is working perfectly fine. Because always see the microwave spins so fast. And I would cook noodles, so good. And let's see how his microwave feels. Let's look at it. That's what we got in there. That's what we got. That's what we got. Damn. That was hot. And let's go test this now.